Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw and color beautiful Lord Krishna step by step easily. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, I hope you all enjoy drawing along with me. So let's start. Firstly, I am drawing with pencil because this one somewhat difficult to draw with pen. And if I have mistakes, I want to erase them, so I use pencil like this. First I draw the face, the mouth. Take your time and enjoy the process. Do it freely like this. The ears, the hair. The hair is somewhat curly like this, few lines. Every details is drawn with care and patience. And a flower also. Let's draw the peacock feather. The peacock feather is one of Lord Krishna's most recognizable symbol as I know. So let's draw it. As I think art is a beautiful way to express creativity. So let's draw together like this. And here I draw two flowers. These are so much simple, easy to draw. And I hope beginners also can draw this. And again the hair with these few lines, it will be so much beautiful. Here somewhat the dress like this, and the hand. Firstly I draw the left hand like this. Here with pencil it's so much easy, and should be afraid for the mistakes also. Lord Krishna is often showing holder a flute. As I know, the flute showing love and harmony. So let's draw the flute like this. After that, the right hand with two bracelets, and here I add one bracelet in left hand also, and here in the arm like this. Again the dress, and here the necklace. This one also so much easy to draw. So I finished drawing with pencil, so I draw it with marker pen. If you like, you can draw only with pencil and you can color it after that. But here I draw it again with pen, and I level up the speed for this because I draw it together with pencil earlier. Like this, the flute. And the necklace. Here. And the bracelets like this. Take your time and enjoy the process. Don't think about small mistakes like this. Practice is the key to improvement. The more you practice, the more you confident you will become. Here like this, the nose like this, and the mouth. Practice is the key to improve. And again the hair. Drawing should be relaxing and enjoyable also. I love this hair. Curly and lovely. Here I add new flower also here. Then there are three flowers in there. And here also. And the peacock feather like this. Peacock feathers are so much colorful. And especially simple drawing can be very beautiful when finished. Let's erase the pencil lines like this. Our drawing of Lord Krishna is now complete. Let's color it together. So normally I use color pencils for my coloring. Here also I use color pencils. If you like, you can use any other also. But when we use color pencils, As I think it's not messy like pastel, let's color it. Firstly, I use dark blue, and first we color the face. Here I use dark blue as a deep layer to light layer with starting in lines, and after that I add light layer all over the other places in face, like this. It's mean in outline as a deep layer and other places as a light layer. After that I add light blue. This one also deep layer to light layer like this in ears and the face also. If you like, you can use only dark blue and light blue also, but here I use 3 colors for the face. After that I add yellow color in other places like this. It will be so much beautiful with dark blue and light blue also. And some people use dark blue only, like this. Again I add light blue and adjust it. You can use as you wish, like this. And dark blue, again add the liners as a deep layer here on the face. The mouth, firstly I use red color and I use pink color. If you like, you can use red color only. In the eye I add light blue as a deep layer, and after that add white color like this, and to the face also somewhat. Let's color the hair. Firstly I use black color as lines. In all pen lines I use black color as a line deep layer, not all over the hair. If you like, you can use, but when we use in lines it will give you a great view. But if you use it as a deep layer all over the hair black color, you can't show the lines like this. With these lines the hair will be so much beautiful. And if you like use only black color, you can use in outline as a deep layer and other places as a light layer. Then if that's so, the lines will show well. Here for the flowers, firstly I use yellow color as a deep layer all over the flower, and here in peacock feather also as a deep layer in middle of it, and for this flower also as a deep layer. I don't use so many colors for the flowers, only yellow color and red color. Red color in the middle of it like this. Here. And after that I add black color in middle of peacock feather as a deep layer, and these spots also. Here I use light blue as a deep layer, and here dark green as a deep layer. In this place I use purple color as a deep layer. And in the peacock feather also I use somewhat outlines like this as a deep layer in outlines there also. Then let's color here again. I add dark blue as a deep layer and as line after the black lines like this. There will be save some spots with this technique. If you like, you can save them as empty here all over the hair like that. And I add yellow color for that empty places as a deep layer. And if you like, you can use light blue also. Here again I adjust it with black color. I want clear outline, so add black color like this. Here also. Then let's color the fluid. Firstly I use brown color like this as a deep layer to light layer. After that I add orange color as a deep layer in other places in fluid like this. And here these lines I use black color as a deep layer. Let's color the bracelets. As a deep layer I use yellow color in right hand also. And for the necklace also as a deep layer yellow color. And for this also I use yellow color. If you like, it may be suitable brown color also for these. Here let's color the dress. Firstly I use orange color like this as a deep layer in these places. Not all over the dress as a deep layer. When we color it in this place, I save some lines like this. If you like, you can use orange color also for the all over the dress, and red color also you can use. But here I use these two colors. These are so much beautiful with color combinations. I usually use so many color combinations in my coloring. Here I add red color for that lines, and here too as a deep layer. Let's color the hands. Firstly I color the left hand. Let's color it together with dark blue like this. Starting at outline as a deep layer to light layer. Not all over the hand as a deep layer. If you like, you can use. But here I use few colors as same to face. Here in the fingers also as a deep layer to light layer. I save some spots also. And in right hand, firstly you can draw the outlines as a deep layer, and after that you can color as a light layer at the places like this. If you like, you can use only dark blue for these places, and you can finish art. But here I use three colors. As face I use, so here I use light blue as a deep layer, and in this part I save small spots. And if you like, you can finish your art in this step also. It may be beautiful. And here I add yellow color for that spots as a deep layer, and in these places also. And again I add dark blue in outlines as a deep layer to finish our art clearly. It will give you a great picture after we finish. And again add orange color somewhat here. The coloring is now complete. I hope you enjoy watching this artwork. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.